Welcome back to the Craft Bar. Thanks for joining us today. We are going to be unboxing a Mochi Squishies Advent Calendar. Now, we are already past Christmas, and I have opened this up and just seen one of the days in the calendar. But I want to go ahead and open it up now and show it off to you guys. So if you're interested in this calendar, if you want to get it, you can. But maybe it'll just inspire you with what I plan to do with it. In addition to this calendar, I found these. They're called Desk Pet Globe Bubbles. I think you could make little snow globes or little desk pet things. Lots of ways you could use these. I thought, let's see if these work. The first one I opened fit perfectly in here, so I'm hopeful that all 24 will fit, and I can give these out to people in the office. I don't know, a little fun, cheer them up. This will be part of our Cubicle Crafts, but certainly not a craft you can make with things that you find are upcycled or recycled to the office. But a little fun to bring to it. So maybe more a craft for your cubicle than a cubicle to do in your, than a craft to do in your cubicle. Okay, so Mochi Squishies. It says Merry Christmas. And got a fun Santa, a reindeer. No, that's a polar bear. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'm going to set these over here, these little globes. Day one. This is the day that I've opened. All right. So fun. You can see it comes apart real quick because I've already opened it at least once. And the crafter in me wants to hold on to everything. So I'm just going to stick that in there. See if maybe that's ephemera to be had. But this is the test one that I tried. It did fit nicely on the base. Cute. It's a... I'm not sure. A little bear. And the little base fits on it. So I will do something to decorate the inside of these. But there's plenty of room. That's what I liked. That the little creature fits in, and there's room to put stuff in it and have the dome. Who knows? Maybe I'll even make it that you can shake it, since they're soft and they won't make noise. Won't drive coworkers nuts or get me in trouble. All right, so first one fits. I guess we'll just keep this one out. This will be our test. Got to have this one here, but number one is a good one. Here's number two. Snowman. Looks like I opened this one up. Oh, it's a clam. It's a little pearl. Fun. That's a very bright white pearl, too. That's going to fit no problem. Oh, a little under the sea. Under the sea. I worry about these getting a little tacky with stuff on them, so I'm gonna leave them in the package unless there's a real concern. I think it's hard to be. I think everything in here is gonna fit, so I'm not too worried. But let's see. Okay, number three, a little Christmas tree, very pretty. We're getting. Oh, that's a little walrus. Yeah, little walrus. Cute. Four. This is a Ferris wheel. Guess this is Santa's amusement park of some sort. I'm gonna call that a polar bear. It's a white bear. No other markings except its face. Black nose and two eyes. Five is the reindeer. Hopping around. And inside, is it a reindeer? No, it's not. What do you think? Think it's a hippo? You let me know. Y'all know what that is. Tell me. Some sort of hippo with a white face. Dicks. We're getting. That's definitely a whale. That's cute. Squishy. Cute. Little tail. Easily identifiable. Number 6 is understandable. So far, the only questionable one is number 5. How do we flag that one? 5. Here. Here, exchange 1, 5. 7. Looking for number 7 is Santa. We're giving a Santa early. Don't have to wait to get Santa. What do you call the fish that... It's not a puffer fish necessarily. I guess it is, but it's got the little thing at the top. Let me put it up here. So... You know the fish that live down underneath all the way in the depths that are really dark. Kettlefish, cuttlefish. This one's a sweeter version. I'm sure that's not what they mean. A little spiny though. He's got the thing to be the lantern right there. See it? All right, cute. 8. Oh, that's fun. That's under the sea. You got your starfish with a happy face. Alright, we've had, what, 3? Three, at least 3 under the sea things. So they're not just Christmas animals. That's nice. You're not limited to that. In fact, nothing so far has been Christmas themed. Polar bear is not necessarily Christmas themed, right? Pink dolphin. A pink dolphin. Little fantasy comes into that. I mean, I don't think pink dolphins exist in wildlife, but let me know if I'm wrong. 10. This is an igloo. It says snow, but that's not snow. That's ice. And this... I'm not sure. Black and white rhino? Black and white hippo? That's not a zebra. I don't. If you know in the comments, let me know. This is another one of those questionable animals. So if 5 was we're not sure, 10 is the same thing. Maybe it's going 5, 10, 15. We're gonna have issues, but that'd only be 3, right? So I don't know. It's cute. Whatever it is, it's not ugly. It's cute. I don't know what animal that's meant to be. Is it a? If it's a panda, that's a horrible panda. That is not a panda face. All right. Well, that was number 10. 10's cutie, but I'm not sure what you are. Number 11, Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas to you. Oh, an alligator or a crocodile, depending on your choice. Definitely one of those. 2, very, very nice. Got the raised bumps along the tail. Little eyes and the long mouth like it's closed. You're not going to see all those teeth. Okay. So number 11, recognizable. Number 12, get a, looks like maybe like a purple fox with a mine cart filled with, I guess, the Christmas train with presents. Ooh, now that, I'd say that's more like a panda. Right, I don't think that's a skunk. I think that's not a fox, that's a panda. That's our panda. So... yeah, I don't know what that is. That's not a zebra. This is the panda. You're cute. 12 is a cutie. 13, the holly. Ooh! I get an orange clownfish. Okay. Finding Nemo, understandable. 14 with the jingle bell. With the jingle bell. An elephant. Oh, that's a cute. Look, you get little pink ears. Okay, I'm taking another package. You're that cute. Look, little trunk, little pink ears, white little tusks. Oh. He's a cutie. Okay, we put you back in here so you stay clean. So you get put into your little desk zoo, little environment. All right, so the elephant, he's a cutie, or she's a cutie. That's 14. 15, I'm worried, remember. Denominations of 5 have not been good. Gingerbread, we're expecting something good here. 15, break the curse. It is a purple. Oh, that's a rhino. That's definitely a rhino. I see the horn. Cute, little tail. Little ears, little horn. That's a rhino. Okay, 15, good job. You broke the curse. Let's see. 15, 16 is right above it. House with snow. Need some lights on it. A crab. Cute. Little eyes. Okay. Cute. 16, 17. We've got presents and another one of those train carts. Ooh, a very pretty turtle. Very nice turtle. Yellow turtle with a green shell. That's a fun. Again, more sea animals. So we've had quite a few. 18. A polar bear on the Christmas train. Here we come. 18. A giraffe. At least that's that's a giraffe. Yeah. Cute. I always say cute. I can't help it. They're all very squishy. Adorable. 18. Giraffe. Number 19 is the ornaments. ornamental. A blue narwhal. Oh, someone's gonna love that. With a yellow tusk on it, pink cheeks. A narwhal. That was number 19. These are great. 20. A seahorse. I mean, these are really getting good here. I'm an adult and I'm excited. If I was a kid, I'd be having a ball every day. Get this seahorse. That's 20. 21. A Christmas tree in the cart. So we're getting closer and closer to the end. Oh, now that's a sea ray. I don't know. I don't know about stingray. You might sting. You're very cute, but watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. This is, woo! It can be deadly. 21, 22. This is present. And that looks like a tiger. Easy, easy peasy. Tiger. Look at their stripes. That's great. 22. Tony the Tiger was 22. We got 2 to go. Can you believe we've already gotten this close, this far down? 23 is the Christmas tree. I think that's a sloth. Pretty sure. Based on the color and the big eyes, that's a sloth. I feel confident saying that. This would not be a sloth. I'm still not sure what this is. And then this is a sloth. All right, our last one, 24. 24. The rabbit on the train. Oh, that's the one I tore. I didn't mean to. It is, I think it's a pig. Little pink pig. Needs a nose. Could have been a hippo. But I think that's a pig. It's closer than whatever this is. Or this. They all, absolutely, I don't have any concerns. Every single one of these is small enough and will fit beautifully into the little dome. So thank you for sticking around to see me open all of these beautiful 24, or all 24 days of the Mochi Squishies Advent Calendar. 24 surprises. So front and back are the same. Doesn't have anything other than a scene here. This doesn't turn into a playmat of any type. You just get the 24. But I'm going to have fun turning them into little desk pets for everyone in the office. So thanks for joining. Please come back and see us again. We'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. We do a lot of fun things here at the Craft Bar, including happy hour where we bring you something fun every week to unwind at the end of a long work day. Have a great time. Thank you.